All right, so that's what we're calling it for today. I got some conduit ran up. We're feeding a couple pieces of equipment over on that side of the wood shop. So I still got more to do. I've got to punch through this wall here and extend into the actual wood shop itself. It's for a tabletop bandsaw and table saw, which we can actually go take a look at. Yeah, we saw up the panel. This is gonna have a couple circuits in it, and that's all we're doing so far on this job. Like I said, it's not completed yet, so we still have some more stuff to do. But there's the tabletop bandsaw, and there's the table saw. We're gonna go across the floor here to a dedicated circuit. Yeah, so that's some progress. I'm gonna run through real quick the tools that I used, some of the basic tools that I used to accomplish this project.